Ever wondered how small shops make that sweet, creamy yogurt? You can start your own yogurt business from home and turn it into real cash in Kenya today. With the rising demand for fresh and affordable dairy products, this could be your big break. Let's dive into how you can make it happen. First, you need to learn the basics of making yogurt. What's the secret to great yogurt? It all starts with understanding how milk changes into yogurt. It's not magic, it's science. Yogurt is simply milk that has been fermented by friendly bacteria. These bacteria are called probiotics. They turn milk into its thicker, tangy, and delicious product. To master this, watch free YouTube videos. You can also take a short food safety course at a local college or online. Practice at home and start with small batches. Taste and test different techniques. Maybe use a thermos or an oven to keep your milk at the right temperature. Remember, the trick to success is keeping your yogurt clean, thick, and tasty. Cleanliness is everything. If your tools or hands are dirty, bad bacteria can spoil everything. If you get the basics right, you'll already be ahead of so many people. Now let's talk about equipment. You don't need a huge factory to start this business. Begin with simple tools. A large pot for boiling the milk, a thermometer to check the temperature, some clean jars for fermentation. That's it for a start. Later on, when you grow, you can invest in bigger machines like pasteurizers and yogurt incubators. But at the beginning, even a good quality sufuria and a jiko or gas cooker can do the job. Always use food grade containers. Stainless steel tools are the best because they are easy to clean. Never use old plastic buckets that can hide dirt and bacteria. Make sure to keep everything spotless. Clean your pots, jars, and spoons before and after every use. A basic home setup in Kenya can cost you between 10,000 shillings to 30,000 shillings. That is cheaper than even buying a fancy phone. And if you already have a gas cooker and a few jars at home, your starting cost will be even lower. After you master yogurt making and get your equipment ready, it is time to find you your most important partner, a reliable milk supplier. Not all milk is good for yogurt. Fresh, clean milk makes better yogurt. Bad milk will spoil your yogurt, waste your time, and kill your business even before it starts. So, where do you get good milk? The key here is to work with local farmers, talk to people in your area, or join a milk cooperative where farmers bring fresh milk every morning. Always check the milk. Smell it. Look at it. Make sure it is clean and fresh. If you can, do a simple boiling test at home. Fresh milk boils smoothly without clumping. Negotiate good prices with your suppliers, especially if you're buying every day. Buying in bulk gives you a stronger position to ask for discounts. Good milk means fewer problems and happier customers. Now, you've got good yogurt, you need clean packaging. You need to sell it. Branding is your secret weapon. So how do you make your yogurt stand out? First, give your yogurt a cool, memorable brand name. Something easy to say and remember. In Kenya, names in Swahili or a mix of English and Swahili often work really well. For instance, you can call it Sweet Lala or Maziwa Magic or Fresh Joy Yogurt. Next, think about great packaging. Even if you start with simple jars, make them look neat. Always use clear, attractive stickers. Always put the expiration date, Trust is important. Customers need to know your product is fresh and safe. You can also offer different flavors. Start with the basics like vanilla and strawberry. If you're adventurous, try mango, passion fruit, or even chocolate. Kenyan customers love variety. And then offer small free samples when you launch. Go to schools, churches, or marketplaces. Let people taste before they buy. Word of mouth will spread fast if your yogurt is good. Social media is another powerful tool. Open up simple Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok page. Post pictures of your yogurt, your kitchen process, and happy customers. You don't need a professional camera. Even your phone can do this job. Tell your friends and family to share your posts. The more people who see your yogurt, the more they trust it. Target small shops, kiosks, schools, offices, and neighbors. These are easier markets to reach when you're starting off. Supermarkets and big stores will come later once you've grown and you have enough capital outlay. If you build trust and deliver consistently, your business will expand naturally. Many Kenyans are now looking for locally made, affordable, and fresh dairy options. And you're not just making yogurt, you're solving a problem. You're providing a fresh, healthy snack in a market that needs it. Pricing is very key. Do not underprice yourself. Calculate your costs carefully, including milk, electricity or gas, packaging, and your time. Add a small profit margin. Remember, cheap is good, but quality is better. People will pay for fresh, tasty yogurt. Set your prices in line with what local shops charge for similar products. You can even offer discounts for bulk orders. Maybe offer one free yogurt for every 10 that have been bought. Small incentives like this create loyal customers. Keep good records from day one and track your milk purchases, your sales, your profits, and your expenses as well. Even a small exercise book can work as your first business ledger. Understanding your money early will help you grow smartly. Later, you can move to apps like QuickBooks or Zoho, or even hire an accountant. Delivery is another area you can grow into. In busy estates in Nairobi, Mombasa, and Kisumu, and even in small towns, customers love home deliveries. You can organize deliveries with a boda boda rider, or you can deliver yourself at first, especially for big orders. This helps you to build good customer relationships that will help your yogurt business to survive and thrive. Make sure to check in with your clients. Ask them for feedback. Whatever a customer says about your yogurt, whether it was too thin or too sour, don't get angry. Take notes. Improve your process. Happy customers become loyal customers. And that's what you want, because loyal customers bring their friends, they bring their family. As your yogurt business grows, reinvest your profits wisely. Upgrade your equipment, maybe move to a small commercial kitchen, but don't be in a hurry. Get a pasteurizer to make milk treatment easier. Register your business formally with the government. Get a food handler's certificate. Maybe even get a KEBS certification when you're ready for supermarkets. Certification opens big doors. Certification opens big doors. Schools, hospitals, and big supermarkets require suppliers with official documents. And don't forget to dream big. You might start with 10 liters of milk today, but in a few years, you could be producing hundreds of liters a day, employing staff and supplying chain stores like Naivas and Quickmart and all the others. The Kenyan market loves good yogurt, and there's still a lot of room for new brands like yours. Your journey starts with that first pot of milk at home. So, are you ready? You know how to make, package, and sell your own yogurt. Start small, grow steady, and you could supply shops, schools, and supermarkets one day. The opportunity is wide open. Ready to make your first batch?
Fresh, delicious yogurt. Get yours now.